Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Miss Sandy, and today's video is about how to make clip-in bangs from the start, and this is definitely the new method of making clip-in bangs. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so as to get updated when I post new videos. So let's bump right into this video. So first of all, this is what I am using to make this clip-in bang. This is a 4x4 closure. Yeah, right, this is a 4x4 closure. I know most of you have been wondering why I had to use this to make a clip-in bang. That is because I wanted it to look as natural as possible. So yeah, I'm just taking out the measurement just to be sure that this is the actual size that I want, and that is 5. Did I say 4x4? No, this is 4x5, and then on the side is 4 inches. So yeah, so the first thing we want to do, we want to take just 3 inches and then cut it from the middle, because this is the length of the clip-in bag that we are gonna be using for this tutorial. And yeah, I'm using different lengths of extension. This is because I don't want to waste extension. Because the part that I'm gonna be using a short extension is the part that I'm gonna be cutting for the bang. But if you want to use a longer length all the way through, that is definitely fine. But this is just what I did, so I'm just letting you all know the whole process and what I did and what I did not do. So yeah, I'm definitely using my sewing machine to sew this because I want it to come out looking natural. And as you can see, I didn't start from the parts where I cut the lace, because I'm going to be ventilating the up part of the clip-in. Yeah, the up part of the clip-in. So this is definitely how to do this. Trust me, you can also use your hand sewing method to do this, but I feel like this would work better if you use a sewing machine, and then again it will come out looking neat as possible. So yeah, the first extension I used was a longer length, so I'm just doing that twice. I'm going in that direction like so. So afterwards I'm gonna be using the shorter length for the clip-in. Just watch and see what I mean by that. So yeah, the reason why I'm using a short length, like I said earlier on, is because I'm gonna cut that part. So I feel like to just be waste of extension if I use longer length all the way through. But that's definitely fine if you want to use a longer extension. So this is definitely what I was doing. I was just sewing it all the way through and then cutting when I get to the end part of the extension. So guys, just keep on watching, and this is something that you'll be able to do if you follow the directions on how I was making this. So once you sew, you just cut, you sew, you cut, you sew, you cut until you get to the very end. Just keep on watching guys, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the notification bell so as to get updated when I post new videos. so I'm still using the longer length for this parts, and then for ventilating the up parts of this closure. So you just want to make sure that you take out all the short strands, you take it out, and then you make use of the longer length. So this is definitely what I was doing. I was just picking it little by little. 2-strand, I think, yeah, I used the 2-strand pin for this. So I was picking 2 strands each on this part because I wanted it to look as natural as possible. If you have a crochet pin, I don't really know if a crochet pin will work for this part. I feel like a ventilating pin will work for this part, because then again you want to make sure that it looks very, very natural. So guys, this is definitely what I was doing, and yeah, just keep on watching. And this is our clip in, looking so much like scarf. This is something you guys want to try out. Just follow through every instructions that I listed out in this video and you'll be able to make it. So yeah, the next thing to do is to cut the bank, and to do that we need to take out the 2 sides like so. Make sure that you take the right amount of size, that you don't take too much. So you just take 2 sides like so, and then you hold the middle part of the extension, and you then use your finger like so to hold it in place, and then you just cut it straight. So yeah, afterwards I'm gonna be making use of a straightener to just tongue that in place. And yeah, you want to make sure that you trim out the 2 sides very well. Trim it to your desired shape or desired style, however you want to do it. So yeah, once you just do that, you just need to use the tonger to that's the straightener to tongue it, and then you want to add the snap clip. I recommend that you use this snap clip for this part instead of the regular wig comb, because then again this would make the clip in to stay glued to your hair when you use it. I also recommend that you use a olive oil for your hair before you apply the hair straightener. And the reason why I like this olive oil hair polisher is not only that it shines the hair, but it also protects it from heat. So you want to make sure that you apply the right amount of hair polisher on this before using the straightener. And that is all for this tutorial. Thank you guys for watching. As you can see, how our clip-in bang turned out to be, looking so nice. And yeah, do give this video a huge thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel. That is all for today's tutorial. Thank you guys, bye.